Equipment Control Parameters 1. Order of ingredients added. To achieve a uniform blend, the ingredients must be added into the blender in the correct order. Changing the order of ingredients addition can lead to a non-uniform blend. Mixing time. Each mixing operation should have a minimum and maximum mixing time specification. The mixing time must not be changed outside the specification. An incorrect mixing time will produce a non-uniform blend. Safety 2. V-blender. V-blenders rotate and are a major hazard to operators. A V-blender is therefore located in a separate dedicated area, and operators must not be present when the V-blender is rotating. Safety features such as infrared beams may be in place to detect the presence of operators. The blender will automatically stop if the infrared beams are broken. Cleaning. Although blenders can be cleaned using automated or semi-automated systems, manual cleaning by operators may sometimes be required, for example, to remove hard-to-shift residues. In these cases, it is critical that appropriate safety precautions are taken. A visible safety sign must be displayed in the area to inform others that the blender is being cleaned and cannot be used. The power must be turned off to guarantee that the blender cannot be started while the operator is cleaning the inside of it. This can be done by turning off the main power switch to the machine, locking the case containing the switch with a tagged lock, and removing the key. The operator then places the key on their person while cleaning the equipment.